What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Realme X2 Pro is gonna be the first flagship smartphone from Realme and it has done some pretty amazing work on this phone. Except of course for the display, which still holds the water drop display notch, which to be frank should be removed at least from the flagship smartphones. Anyways, the bottom bezel looks trimmed down, which is a positive thing as all the four sides look more symmetrical now. These leaked hands-on images show everything we want to know about the upcoming X2 Pro. The build is of glass material and it has quad camera setup with 64 megapixel as main camera sensor. Here, the weird thing is the logo placement. It's not in the center. It looks like they were in the hurry to place the logo and just went on with placing it anywhere. What are your thoughts on the logo placement? Do you like it, or it's bugging you, or you don't care at all? Comment down below. Coming to the cameras, it's confirmed to get a 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor, a 13 megapixel wide angle with 115 degree field of view. Third sensor will be the telephoto camera sensor supported by a depth sensor of 2 megapixel and for selfie a 16 megapixel camera sensor. Here are some of the sample images shared by Realme. When I said this device is going to be a flagship device, that implies it will get the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. Not just that, its top-end model will get 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which supports UFS 3.0. For gaming, the X2 Pro will be equipped with vapor chamber liquid cooling, multi-layer graphite sheet and superconducting carbon fiber multi-layer scheme for constant high performance without heating issue. And there is also Frame Boost 2.0 for maintaining the high frame rate and stability while playing heavy games. All these things combined make this device blazing fast as well as buttery smooth. On that note of buttery smooth, we also get a 90Hz refresh rate panel, which is another trait of flagship smartphones these days. This 90Hz panel will be flat and not curved. Another dope feature in this device will be the addition of 50W Super VOOC charging support, which is the fastest yet on the Realme device. It will charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 35 minutes. The company added that the smartphone will also support USB PD and 18W rapid charging from Qualcomm. Apart from all these details, the official picture of bottom of X2 Pro also confirmed the presence of 3.5mm headphone jack and USB-C port. And for those who want NFC support, yup, it's not there. In the shots, we also get to see the Realme Buds Wireless and the 10,000 mAh Realme power bank that is already selling in China and India. About its launch, Realme X2 Pro is set to launch in Europe and China on October 15th. The flagship will then make its way to India in December, where it is expected to launch alongside the Realme XT 730G. And currently there is nothing known about the pricing. And that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, peace out.